Winter has finally shown its true colors after a snowstorm hit much of Alberta Tuesday night. The snow carried over to Wednesday, leaving many people in limbo as the roads were filled with slush and in some parts covered in ice. Around 4:15 a.m., Innisfail RCMP reported a jackknifed semi on Highway 2 at Innisfail. No injuries were reported, though traffic was affected on both lanes for a good chunk of the morning. A snowfall warning remained for Calgary throughout the morning and afternoon, with roughly 10 to 20 centimeters of snow expected to fall by the evening, according to Environment and Climate Change Canada. Total snowfall amounts in excess of 30 centimeters are expected, especially over mountainous areas. The warnings ended for the city of Calgary just after 5 p.m., as the storm system swept east. Areas along the Saskatchewan border remained under a warning headed into the evening. Early Wednesday morning, the city of Calgary said throughout the snowfall, city crews were continuously working on the priority routes, plowing snow and putting down material where needed. As of 3 p.m., a snow route parking ban in Calgary was not put into effect. According to Calgary Police Service, a total of 231 collisions were reported between midnight and 4 p.m. on Wednesday. Injuries were reported in 13 of those crashes, 22 were hit and runs and 196 did not have any injuries. ECCC also added visibility is likely to remain low throughout the day, particularly in exposed areas. The city of Calgary said Monday morning that its road crews will continuously work on the city's priority routes throughout the snowfall, plowing snow and putting down traction material. City crews will also focus on clearing walkways, transit routes and bridge decks. The city said the roads remain snow-covered and slippery in sections, urging drivers to slow down. The city said at this time, it does not anticipate the need to call a snow route parking ban. Thanks for watching the video, and stay safe.